Okay, so you guys know that one video I did showing this controller off. Well, opening the box, there is no charging cable for it. I could just use one of the charging cables from like my Razer products, or even my Switch 2 or Switch Pro controllers. But instead I ended up going out and getting the charging station. Which I will show. Come on. Possible to do things one-handed. Obviously, your instruction manual, don't need it. You've got your power adapter and plug for it. It's a pretty massive plug, which is hilarious. And your dock. So of course it's still got that that sleek design that the PS5 has, but basically you just have every set the controller on it, because it's got those little things on the bottom of it, and then yeah, you just let it sit there and charge. Obviously I gotta find a place for it because I don't really have a good spot, but put that on. Put that down again. Just so I can untie all this shit. Okay. Obviously the downside with those things, you can't use the controller while it's charging. Stick it in there temporarily. Doesn't really have anything indicating that, yeah. So that basically lights up that color. it's charging. I think it breathes. Yes, it breathes. I don't know what color it'll light up when it's done charging though. But yeah, if you're looking for a charger that's sleek in design and doesn't really take up a lot of space, get Sony's. It's pretty basic and good. Yeah.